look at how to compare 3/4 and 4/5. If you notice, we don't have a denominator that we can easily convert to fifths or easily convert from fifths to fourths, because 4 times nothing equals 5 and 5 divided by nothing equals 4. Same with our numerator. 3 times nothing equals 4 and 4 divided by nothing equals 3. So I'm not going to be able to convert just one fraction or rename one fraction. So we're going to look at how we rename both fractions. So your first step is to draw an area model. 1 to represent 3/4, which is right here, and 1 to represent 4/5, which is right here. Now notice I did my 3/4 with vertical lines and my 4/5 with horizontal lines. It doesn't matter which one you do with vertical or horizontal, as long as one is vertical and one is horizontal. Because our next step is going to come over to our 3/4, and we're going to divide each fourth into 5 pieces with horizontal lines, just like we have modeled in our area model over here. So I'm going to divide this up. Each fourth is getting divided into 5 pieces. So again, here was 1/4, and now it's in 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to add, I had fourths added here, so I'm going to add 4 columns to this one. Okay. And now I took each fifth and divided it into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have the same numerator in each picture. I'm sorry, the same denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So both of these have been divided into 20ths. Let's prove it with this one too. We've got 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So then we just have to see how many are shaded in both. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 20ths, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 20ths. Now let's look at how we did that with multiplication, because drawing these area models can be a little tedious sometimes. So we have 3/4 that equal 3/4 times, and we're going to have 4/5 equals 4/5 times something. Okay. So what we're actually doing is we're taking the opposite denominator and multiplying the first fraction by the opposite denominator. So we're going to multiply 3/4 by 5/5, and we're going to multiply opposite denominator times the 4/5. So we're doing 4/5 times 4/4. 3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, we end up with the same fraction, but a little bit less work. Over here, we're going to end up with 16 20ths. Also the same fraction, but a little bit less work. So again, we did that because we divided each of these fifths into 4 pieces. So we multiplied each one by 4, just like we're showing here. For over here, we took each of these fourths and divided them into 5 pieces. So we multiplied it by 5, which is how we can show this with the equation. So now you should be able to compare 15 20ths and 16 20ths very easily, and that would mean we've got 3/4 and 4/5 are equivalent. Right? Hopefully now you can compare fractions using the area model or using multiplication by multiplying by that opposite denominator.